Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap View Wallet button, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips and manage your passes. If you go to Add to Wallet, you've got access to new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card that you can add to your Google account. If you go to Menu, you can manage your Google accounts, check all wallet tips. You can manage Tap to Pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.